What's going on, everybody? Got the e-assist vessel ratchet, this popular thing that's popping up all over the place now. Got it a little while ago, been playing around with it, and figured I'd just give a kind of a quick, honest review of it in the shop now that I've been using it a little bit. For those that don't know or haven't seen it, it's essentially just, a regular ratchet that has an assist on it, power assist. So you got a little button here, spins it that way, in this case, to tighten something down. If you want to loosen, then this centerpiece pops out. Just give it a little push there, and it slides up and out. And then you can take the whole bit out of it. See if I can do it with one hand here. Kind of difficult, but you can see it pops out, and then you can pop it onto the other side, and in that case you'll be loosening with it. So it's pretty nifty little thing. I got it through my Snap-on guy that comes here. Like I said, I hadn't really ever heard of it until him, to be honest. Charges up in the ass end here, little like USB little guy, the USB-C, I think it is. But yeah, these things are popping up. They're pretty popular. It's kind of a cool idea. Comes with a little 1/4-inch socket, adapter, also a 3/8 one, and then a 1/4 swivel, which I don't know. Maybe you'll use that, but it's neat. Pretty basic instructions explaining the thing, but it's not bad. So, practical application. I've got this Ford Escape that needed a battery, and anybody who's done one on these knows how much of a bitch that can be. So this airbox has to come out of the way. Yeah, I know, before anybody says it, you can take the cowl off, but yeah, I'm not doing that. So I already replaced it. And there's a good use for this when you've got little, down here, these little bolts. You can get on them, spin them in a little bit. One thing I will say is that it does not have a whole lot of power behind it. So this is really going to be meant for, interior stuff, like real tight areas that you need to kind of spin something down. It's good when you can get into an area and maybe break something free, get on it, break it free, kind of spin it out, like that'll be good. But like in this case, see, you can see like not much, but it does have ratcheting capabilities. You can use it like a regular ratchet. I could sit here and just crank away on the thing and hope that goes down enough to give it a little juice, which in this case not really. But that's probably the biggest thing with it, is not a lot of power, but it's not really designed for that. Like, this isn't gonna replace your regular ratchet. You can spin these guys in a little bit and get it to work that way. It's not gonna obviously be your regular everyday 3/8 or 1/4-inch ratchet, but for something like these tight areas, it's not bad. And for comparison's sake, if I get the cordless 1/4-inch ratchet in here, you can zip on that thing all day long, and it's gonna suck it in. So it's not gonna replace that either, right? You can see it's sucking in that screw to that air box. It's obviously not going to be a replacement for your regular 1/4-inch. Like, this is a Snap-on one. Whatever you've got, your air ratchets, cordless ratchets, whatever you're into, it's just going to supplement that. Got a decent feel to it. I mean, it's lightweight. Like I said, little stuff, probably pretty good for interior-wise, stuff that doesn't have rust on it, little airbox screws like these guys here, can zip that guy up and out like that, and then you can send it back down too. So stuff like that, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty slick. Is it going to replace my battery operated cordless ratchets? No. Is it going to replace your 3/8 gun or 3/8 ratchet for kind of breaking up some bigger stuff with the 3/8 attachment. No, but it's, you know, a good little tool. It's pretty decent. I mean, I don't know how well these things are going to hold up. They're fairly new, um, but it's not anything that, you know, feels too chintzy or anything like that. See if we can kind of focus you in here. Vessel is the company that makes these for anybody looking. You can find them all over the place. You know, Snap-on guys have them. I'm sure other tool guys are carrying these now because it's kind of a hot thing, but that is the part number for it, 400 ER2-U, the E-Assist Mini Ratchet Wrench. 60 tooth gear, no load speed, 400 RPM. So, you know, like you said, nothing too crazy, but it's a nice little addition to what you might have already. So you get the socket adapters, you get the universal joint charger. There's instructions if you've, you know, never used a ratchet before, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, just figured I'd make a quick little video and give people an idea what this thing's all about. It's cool, you know. I think I paid, I don't know, it was from Snap-on, so it's obviously more. It's probably $150 or something. I really don't remember, but I'm sure you can find them for like $100 or something. You know, check Amazon, check your other tool guys. Cornwell might sell them. I don't know about like, you know, some of the other ones, but I'm sure for most people that, you know, aren't working in shops, you're probably going to find them online. But for guys that are, I mean, hey, it's not a bad little item to check out. So let me know what you guys think of them. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment what your thoughts are on this. If you like it, if you think it's shit, if there's a better one, if somebody else is making one out here, I'm not aware of it, but you know, these things aren't too bad.